Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi A7 fuel cap. First, ensure your vehicle is unlocked. The fuel flap is located on the passenger side. Gently press the rear edge of the flap to release it. It should pop open slightly, revealing the inner fuel cap. This simple action is the first step to accessing your fuel tank. With the fuel flap now open, you'll see the main fuel cap. To remove it, simply turn the cap counterclockwise. It should unscrew easily. Once loose, lift the cap off completely. Many Audi models have a convenient holder inside the fuel flap where you can place the cap while you refuel, keeping it clean and secure. Now you can insert the fuel nozzle and begin fueling your Audi A7. Once you're finished, remove the nozzle and replace the fuel cap. Turn it clockwise until you hear a distinct click. This click indicates that the cap is properly sealed and secured, preventing any fuel vapors from escaping and ensuring safety. Finally, gently push the fuel flap back into its closed position. Make sure it sits flush with the vehicle's body, indicating it's fully latched. Your Audi A7's fuel cap system is now secure, and you're ready to continue your journey. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.